Good morning to all. My name is Pratha Vasir and I am in class 7B. First of all, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today, as we stand under the vibrant sky of India, I want to talk about a day that fills our hearts with pride and gives us the freedom to talk our mind. Republic Day. Unity in diversity, harmony in diversity. Happy Republic Day. Today, we all are here to celebrate 76th Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year on 26th of January as the Constitution of India came into force at this day. We are regularly celebrating the Republic Day of India since 1950 as on 26th of January in 1950 Indian Constitution came into force. 76 years ago, this day marked the birth of our country as a free republic. We escaped the shackles of colonial rule, entered the bright light of liberty, and emerged as a sovereign nation. Standing tall on the pillars of democracy, the scar of our India at last belonged to the Indian people, symbolizing not just freedom from British rule but also the limitless possibilities and dreams that our vibrant nation could now aspire to achieve. Think of the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for this day. Their unwavering courage led the way to freedom, enabling us to stand as a proud nation. We owe them a deep debt of gratitude. But Republic Day is not just about remembering the past, it's about embracing the present and building the future. It's the freedom to learn, to dream big, and to aim high. It's the freedom to escape and have our voices heard. It's the freedom to be tolerant and to be kind to others. So let's celebrate Republic Day not just with flags and sweets, but with actions. Let's be responsible citizens upholding the values of our Constitution. Let us honor each other's differences and celebrate our diversity. After all, India is a country of unity in diversity. Once again, Happy Republic Day, everyone. Let's march forward hand in hand towards a brighter and glorious India. Thank you. Have a fantastic day ahead. Jai Hind.